after 1973, Saudi Arabia led an embargo. Many of you remember it. I mean, it was very painful for those of us who lived through it. The Gulf states stopped oil exports, cut production. The boycott led to stunning increases worldwide. The shock was such that a commodity that had been cheap, accessible, abundant, available whenever we wanted it, suddenly the cost skyrocketed. The U.S. experienced its first shortage since World War II, the first significant increase in oil prices. I mean, what's astounding to me is that the price initially of oil doubled and then quadrupled like that. Nixon actually considered seriously military action to seize the oil fields of Saudi Arabia and the Gulf countries. So what we saw as a result of oil and the price hikes is how important oil became as a weapon, how it provided leverage for these countries. So 5 of the 12 countries with the largest reserves are in the Gulf. Just a reality. And what happened in transforming societies with oil was not just the kind of development, but the way the Gulf countries began taking back ownership of their concessions that were run by Texaco and Exxon and Mobil. Saudi Arabia had only a 25% stake in Aramco. It took control of its own asset, and it is now, so Aramco means Arabian American Oil Company. And today it's Saudi Aramco. So just as important as the shift in oil prices is the fact that the leverage is now completely in the hands of the Gulfies. Saudi Aramco, according to Forbes 500 2 weeks ago, is now 4th among the top 10 companies. Walmart and Amazon rank higher, but Apple, China's national oil company, and Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway are all valued lower than Saudi Aramco. And the repercussions were incredible in terms of the geostrategic power it gave countries that 50 years earlier had been backwaters. So the strategic balance of power in terms of physical assets, political leverage, shifted in the Middle East from the traditional powers in Egypt and Syria to the Gulf countries.